Welcome to the My Day 10 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. I'm a certified healthy lifestyle coach, and here we are in day 10. Can you believe it? We're almost at the end of our third week. How is it going? I hope that you have had some good success so far. You have lost some weight, inches, and you feel better about the way that you look and how you feel. If you need some extra support, please reach out to my team and I. We are here to help you. So today, like every day, we are going to eat real food that is minimally processed. Everything that I'm going to show you today, you can go to the grocery store and buy and prepare these meals. It doesn't take a lot of time, and it is so worth it because you are feeding your body nourishment and you are changing the way that you feel. So let's jump right in with breakfast. And breakfast is going to be one whole wheat English muffin. This is the kind that you want to get. Make sure it says 100% whole wheat on the label. 1 tablespoon of creamy peanut butter. Now, this is going to give you protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Make sure it is unsalted. If it is salted, you are going to add extra sodium, and we don't want to do that. So 1 tablespoon of creamy peanut butter, unsalted, and 3/4 of a cup of blueberries. Blueberries are high in antioxidants. They are delicious. They are sweet. You will not miss the sweetness, and they will keep you full. They are high in fiber. So a great start to your day. Let's move on to lunch, and lunch is going to be 1 cup of tossed salad mix. Now, if you like arugula, baby spinach, romaine lettuce, any of those, that's fine. That's what I'm talking about when I say toss it up in there. Any of those kinds of greens are wonderful. Add any of your non-starchy vegetables. So you can add string beans, broccoli, cabbage, spinach, whatever you like. I'm going to add cherry tomatoes to mine. Add 3 hard-boiled egg whites or 4 ounces of grilled shrimp. And we are going to dress it with 1 tablespoon of vinegar and olive oil. And on the side, you're going to add 1 slice of whole grain bread. You can use rye, you can use whole wheat, whatever you like. And then half a cup of fresh cantaloupe. Isn't that going to be delicious? The cantaloupe will be sweet, the greens will be bitter. You have your protein, you have your healthy fats. This is an incredible lunch. Okay, now it's time for a snack. And this is going to be 1 small 16-ounce iced cappuccino. Non-fat is best, but if you like it better with milk and cream, that's fine. This will give you some extra protein. It will keep you full and satisfied. And it's nice to have something a little bit cold sometimes between your meals. Now let's get to dinner. And dinner is going to be 2/3 of a cup of cooked quinoa. Quinoa is such a great whole grain. It is very high in protein. It is high in fiber. It is complete protein and it will keep you full. On the side, you're going to have roast pork tenderloin or grilled London broil with mushrooms and onions. Now, if you don't eat red meat, you can substitute this with 4 ounces of grilled chicken breast. And on the side, you're going to have 3/4 of a cup of sliced cooked carrots and 1 cup of strawberries. The carrots will be sweet from the cooking, and the strawberries will be perfectly sweet. You won't miss the dessert. And isn't this just beautiful? You are nourishing your body. You are changing the way that you feel. You are making food your friend instead of the enemy. And we are so happy that you are here with us. Please subscribe. Let us know how you're doing in the comments below. Reach out to us and get the support that you need to be successful. You can do this. We believe in you. I believe in you. And that matters most. Have a great day.